Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another episode of WTF.
Let's have it! Right, so it's episode 4. I'm winning 2-1 so far. Last episode, if you haven't seen it, click up there. It was the Guess the YouTuber challenge.
And I'm hoping this week we'll bring it back to a draw.
I'm hoping we won't.
Shall we have a look what's inside the box?
Let's get inside the box. Oh, we got our card.
We've got our blindfolds.
And our trusty blindfolds are back.
Here we go. Hello, Kate and Alex, and welcome back to the 4th episode of this WTF season. Things couldn't be tighter as the scores are finally poised at 2-1 in Alex's favour after that masterclass in guessing YouTubers.
Yeah, well, I do spend a lot of time watching YouTube. Today, we have cracked the blindfolds out as you take part in the WTF Tin Can Challenge. What does that mean? The rules of this week's challenge are as follows. In front of you, there are 10 random tins, numbered 1 to 10. You will take it in turns to be blindfolded and pick a number between 1 and 10. Your opponent will open the selected tin and feed you a spoonful of the contents.
There are 2 points up for grabs for each tin you try. 1 for swallowing the whole contents of the spoon, and 1 for correctly guessing what was on the spoon. Once consumed, you will have 20 seconds to make a correct guess.
I don't think we're having to eat anything.
No.
Let's go us again.
Well, you didn't say that.
Yeah, he was, no, but he was coy about it,
He was coy, yeah. So there are 10 points up for grabs in total, and you know the deal by now. The person with the most points wins this week's challenge. Good luck, guys. The WTF team.
This sounds like a good one.
This is like an advance on the baby food challenge almost. Yeah. So with the adult food challenge.
Yeah, and with someone else feeding it to you. And 2 points up for grabs. 1 for guessing and 1 for swallowing.
And 1 for actually eating it all. Maestro, bring him in.
Bring in the tins.
Bring in the tins. I really hope Matt's not being mean and put dog food.
I bet they're all dog food.
What's even harder about this is the fact that you're blindfolded and you have to put it in your mouth.
Yeah, well you hate that, don't you?
Yeah, the thought of not knowing is like, oh.
I do reckon some of these are dog food.
Right, should we do rock, paper, scissors to see
so.
who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I hadn't actually said I wanted you to go first, but I do want you to go first.
So.
Okay, and Alex, actually, you get to pick your number, don't you?
Yeah.
So
I'm going to start with 5.
5, okay. Here is number 5. Can I look under first?
Yeah, I guess that's part of the fun.
Okay, I've just got to use my trusty tin opener for this one.
Oh, it's 5 and not an easy open one.
No, it's not a ring pull. Honest, I do know how to use them. There we go. Click, click, click. I really can't fully get into this.
Anytime today.
I know, I'm finding. Oh dear, I've made an absolute mess of this. Oh dear. And should we be kind to each other and just do like half of the dessert spoon?
Yeah.
Because it is big. Are we ready?
I'm ready. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Why aren't you putting the whole thing in?
What's that?
So when do I time? No.
What is it, like mashed potato?
Nope.
Feels like mashed potato.
Halfway.
And it tastes like it. Is it like a shepherd's pie in a tin? Is it nutty?
No. 3, 2,
I don't have a clue.
1, stop. But the great thing with this is you finished it, so you technically do get a point.
Oh, you get a point.
I have actually never seen this or heard of it. So I think you chose a really bad one. It's called peas pudding. Is this peas? It's mashed up peas.
Mashed up peas.
Do you like it now that you've had it?
Not really. It's like when you first put it in my mouth, I thought I was going to throw up.
It does taste like mashed potatoes, doesn't it?
Really savoury and not that nice tasting.
No.
I just kept picturing it was dog food and just kept almost throwing up.
But you are lucky because you ate it all, which is great. Okay, never heard of that before, peas pudding.
I've heard of it now you say it. Yeah. But it's like a really old thing, I think.
Yeah.
Like in
a real
an old story or a song or...
Really? Oh, almost like Oliver or something.
Yeah.
Peas
pudding and...
Peas pudding and pie.
No, peas pudding and...
Rice.
Salad rice or something.
Oh yeah. Peas pudding and
Savaloy.
Savaloy. Peas pudding and Savaloy. What? Next is the question.
You still remember the choreo?
What?
Rich gentlemen, happy boys in digestion.
In digestion.
Food glorious food.
Me and Alex were in Oliver when we were younger.
Yeah.
And no, not on the West End.
A youth production.
A youth production. Do let us know if you're in any youth productions.
What, of Oliver or anything?
Or anything. We were in youth productions growing up.
Yeah.
Peace.
Put yours on.
I'm so glad you remembered that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, what number do you want?
I would like number 4. Ooh. It is nerve-wracking, isn't it?
Cool. Let's hope you like this then.
I just thought we haven't got any like spitballs or anything, have we?
Cooks in 4 minutes. But you're not getting that luxury. Right, do you want, so we said half a spoon.
Yeah,
This
half a
is about
spoon.
half. Are you ready?
Not really.
3, 2, 1.
That vegetable soup.
No,
A curry.
no,
Baked beans.
no.
5 bean. It's a korma. Or no, it's like a tin curry.
No,
I've definitely had this. Shepherd's pie.
no. Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
It's a vegetarian vegetable chili. Chili con carne.
Oh! Now that you say that, I can
Yeah.
really taste that. That's why I kept saying like
Curry.
beans and curry,
Beans, yeah.
but I needed longer in order to get that was
Realise
a
it was
chili con carne. I couldn't think of the word, but now I've tried that, it really is chili con carne. That's a little bit spicy now.
I probably wouldn't have got that because I don't often.
You don't really have that, yeah.
No.
But okay, I don't get that point, but I did eat
You got
it.
1 point, yeah. So that is
1 all so far.
1 point each so far. I'll put my blindfold on.
Okay, and which number are you going for, sir?
I'm going to go for 7, madam.
7.
Originally, I didn't actually think about the consequences of this, but actually now I'm like, oh,
The
what
thought
could
of
be
it.
in there? Yeah.
We should probably have nose things, shouldn't we? Half a tin. I mean half a tin.
Seems a bit much.
3, 2, 1. Alex doesn't like to put it all in. Usually you really go for it.
That's beans.
With what?
Oh, with sausage.
No. But it's got something to it. I think you'll be able to get a half point
Oh,
for
is it
this.
beans breakfast? type
No.
thing? Beans and
Are you
veggie
tasting
sausage.
anything else?
No, have a bit more. It's kind of like sweeter than normal beans.
We'll give you like a half extra. Now like really taste aftertaste. Anything?
No.
It's fiery chili.
Oh, well, they're not hot.
Are they not?
No,
How funny. I wonder if you heat them, if they'll be hot.
maybe.
So I think you get 1.5 points. Do you think? Because
Yeah.
technically it's fiery chili, but it's beans.
I would say that's partly Heinz' fault for giving such a lack of
Yeah.
fire in there.
There's not much difference.
Maybe
there,
call them
really.
chili if they're not going to be that hot, but don't call them fiery chili.
No. I wonder if people would put that in their homemade chili con carnes.
Ooh.
So it's just like a thingy. Okay, I'll
Or on
put
their
that fork.
homemade pizzas.
Well done, Alex.
Cheers.
You might just need that half point,
Yeah, I
mightn't you?
might. I might.
Okay.
Keep my lead.
I'm going to go number 2, please.
So what? Just so I have to open it?
Yeah.
This one should be easy as pie. I don't think you could get this wrong, and if you do, you're a wally.
Really? Don't forget you're blindfolded. And...
Yeah, but you must have tasted this so many times in your life. You ready?
Yep.
Not sure you want half a spoonful of this.
I'm not sure either.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Sweetcorn.
Yeah.
No! What brand is that? Green Giant.
Asda's Smart
Asda.
Price. Not as juicy as the Green Giant ones, are they at all?
There's no liquid in there whatsoever.
No.
To me, that tastes so different, doesn't it? I always think tinned sweet corn tastes really different.
It's not like at the Harvester
No.
when you get the free salad bowl.
I feel like I lucked out on that one.
Yeah.
Which one are you going for?
9.
9. Lucky number 9.
Is it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Ooh. It's a nice little wrinkle.
Oh, I don't know what it is, but I did just get a whiff of
Whiff of
something.
No, stop smelling.
I literally don't know what that smell is. It's so weird.
Are you ready? Open your mouth wide this time. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Beans. Cannellini beans, broad beans, white beans.
No.
Oh, some kind of bean.
Yep.
Runner bean.
No.
Cannellini.
Think more out there.
Lentil, black bean,
No.
green bean.
No. You were so close with black bean. Pinto beans.
Oh, pinto
I didn't know you could even
beans.
buy pinto beans.
Of course you can. They don't just make them for...
No, I know, but I did see them in the shop once actually. Pinto beans. They do taste like that now. Can you taste that now?
But I just wouldn't.
When you said
I
black
wouldn't
bean-
think of buying pinto beans.
No, but when you said black bean, I was then thinking pinto was following shortly after that because you either get black beans or pinto beans when you get a burrito.
But I always get black beans, so.
Yeah, I always get pinto beans. I'm gonna go 3.
3 is.
Oh dear.
Oh, can you whiff that? Can you smell that?
No, I can't.
Oh.
Oh wait. No, I can.
You ready?
No.
Ready?
Matt, have you got anything that could harm us?
Yeah, because all Matt's trying to do all the time is harm us.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Is this cat food or dog food? No. Mushy peas?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is it actually?
Yeah.
I genuinely thought that was
Dog food.
dog food. And then I felt the texture and I was like, okay, that's... Oh, I got plenty of time.
Plenty of time.
As soon as I had animal food in my head, I almost gagged at that.
Really?
Uh-huh. And I swallowed it.
Well done, well done.
Okay. What one are you going for?
I'm going for number...
Should we bring them in a bit?
Yeah.
We've got 4 left, so 2 each.
I'm going to go number 8.
Number 8. I think we're both spooked out by how tall number 10 is.
Yeah. Just what is in such a big tip?
I have a guess, but I don't know what to say.
I've got a guess. But I just don't think it would be that, actually.
Okay. We'll do this over here.
Why? Because is it pungent?
I feel like you'll be able to smell this really well.
Really?
Alex, get back!
Oh, I can smell something. Is it hot? Is it spicy?
Wait and see.
Is it going to be like fiery beans?
Ready? Open your mouth.
Oh no.
And start.
Sun-dried tomatoes?
Nope.
Oh, passata. Chopped tomatoes and tomatoes.
I was going to give you passata if you didn't get it, but it actually is called chopped tomatoes. Chopped tomatoes, and it's actually something chili and red pepper or something?
Yeah, there is a little bit of
There's
spice
something in
going
there.
Yeah, no, that tastes,
interesting.
that's
Well
got
done,
a good
Al.
flavour, actually.
I
Right,
think
what you up
I
for?
want to go for...
Number 10.
I think I want to go 10. Go hard or go home. Is it a bad decision?
Yeah.
I just can't think what would be in this.
It's got a meaty smell about it. I'm just getting the choo-choo train ready.
Make sure it's only half.
Choo-choo. You ready?
No.
3, 2, 1.
Is this soup?
Yeah. What flavour?
Minestrone.
No.
Vegetable.
Yeah, and?
And pasta?
Can you taste anything else added in there?
No, can I
What about here? A couple of little bits in there?
beans?
Yeah.
Vegetable and beans?
Yeah, vegetable and beans.
Really? I've never heard of a soup like that.
It's big soup, mighty veg and bean stew. Could you taste the stew, or is it just like veg?
No, that's basically soup, really.
Just veggie tomato soup. Yeah?
Yeah, is there any pasta bits in there? No.
No, just beans.
So do I get 2 points for that?
Yeah. Because you actually, I was going to give you veg anyway.
But
you
I went
also
for the
got
bonus
beans.
point.
You got beans as well. So. Okay.
You are the decider.
I think I'm going to go for number 1.
Okay.
Because the whole time I've been thinking 6 is bad.
Do you think?
Ever
I
since
kind
the
of
first
thought
pick, I
6
thought
is bad.
6 is bad.
And it's funny because I feel like you are better at picking at the end, whereas I always manage to pick myself the bad stuff.
I always just go with my gut, but I could be wrong.
So I'm
this time.
hoping Alex's gut is wrong. Okay. So you're going for 1, sorry,
Yeah,
did you say?
I'm going for 1.
Okay. I'm excited that I can watch. Ooh.
Was it a good
It's
choice
a
or
good
bad choice?
choice
Yeah.
in the way that I feel like you'll like this.
Okay.
But is it a good choice? Will you get it? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Open your mouth. And go.
What on earth is that? Is that like a soup?
No.
Potato stew.
Potato, correct.
Potato and herb.
What type of potato?
Roast potato.
No.
Boiled potato.
What the fuck?
Any other guesses? Have a little think of the flavour.
It's like herby.
Like, smell that, smell it. You can open up if you want. Bombay potatoes.
Oh, of course they are, yeah.
Yeah, as soon as you got that smell. really obvious then.
Yeah.
But when it's in your mouth, and I just forget that you can get stuff like this in a tin.
Oh, we're actually quite good now, thinking about it. So even if
I get this wrong, I win.
Kate has won 7 points to 6.5, and there's now nothing I can do. Let myself down. Now we're back to
I'll still
split.
play along and do it.
Actually, I've got an idea.
What?
If you spit this out, then it's minus half a point.
No! Joking.
Oh!
Alex is psyching me out.
Oh! Oh, I would throw this up.
Alex!
What?
I've won anyway, there's no point
No,
being
because remember
mean.
I said if you spit this out.
No, that's not the rules.
Yeah, it is. Right, you ready?
Not really.
Here we go, 3, 2, 1.
Leek and potato soup.
Yeah.
Is that actually?
But wait.
Oh, what?
What was the other thing?
What do you mean?
What was the other flavour?
Leek and potato soup.
And?
Did you put a spoon in elsewhere?
Yeah.
What? I couldn't taste anything else.
Really? I'll
No.
give you one more then.
No!
Yeah, one more. Ready?
Be nice.
I'm being nice. This one's for the viewers. Ready? 3,
Why'd you get
2,
bonus points?
1.
Mmm! Peas.
Yeah, but that's not what... Well, it was what I did the first time, but I did the peas pudding the first time.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, that just shows how bland it is. I was like, don't get that on my new top. Do you like my new top? If anyone wants to get it, it's Top Man. That is actually... Where is that from? Is it...
It's Heinz.
It's Heinz. That's really nice. I forget
Yeah, so
about
you should have
Heinz.
known that was Leek because you've had that, haven't you?
Yeah, I've had that.
Leek and
That was really good. So, that definitely confirms that I win.
Yeah.
Woo! We need like a one of those cow things. No,
Yeah.
for you need that.
No, you need that.
That was really interesting and fun, wasn't it? I'm really glad we did that. It's like baby food challenge, but adult
Yeah.
version.
But it does show you it's the luck of the draw because,
It
like you
is.
said,
I got
didn't get
sweet corn.
Bombay potatoes, but I would have got leek and potato. So that's the way it goes. That's the way the
But
cookie crumbles.
that's the thing. With this, it's luck as well,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Right then, it's back to 2-all then.
Back to 2-all. I'm not letting you get too far in front.
It's not going to be like last series, is it? where we're
Maybe.
just back
I
and
don't know.
forth?
I'm hopefully now just going to keep
Hopefully, I'm going to keep just...
stepping it up, stepping it up, stepping it up. Did
Yeah,
you enjoy that?
I enjoyed that. Did you?
I enjoyed that, even though I was blindfolded and things were going in. I was a bit like scared, but I'm really glad I committed to the
Yeah,
spoonful
well done.
and I ate it all. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.